Am I the only one that didn't know you could hack your Steam profile art with just a browser console? Let's unlock the secret together. Your profile's about to look legendary. First, you'll need Steam Level 10 to add an artwork showcase. Grab your favorite image or animated art. Sites like DeviantArt are perfect for this. Make sure it's sized right. For a regular showcase, the middle image should be 506 pixels wide, sides 100, and they can be as tall as you want. For featured artwork, go 630 pixels wide. Want it to match your background? QuickTip Steam.de sign crops backgrounds for you automatically. Now, open Steam in Chrome or Firefox and go to your profile's artwork upload page. Pick your file, give it a title, or use an invisible character to keep it blank. The magic right-click, hit Inspect, open the console tab, and paste this code. $J, #image_width, val 1000, Atcher id. $J, #image_height, val 1, Atcher id. Hit Enter, certify your art, and upload. Add it to your showcase, save, and boom, your profile is now next level. Try it out and flex your masterpiece.